Hey everyone. So if you want to add education, all you can do is go to your line right there. You can right click and then hit insert row below. Then you can insert the name of another school. Let's say this person got another degree. Type that in and then put in graduation year. Oops, I spelled it wrong, but you can do the same thing. So that's how you do that, is just go ahead and insert, and then you can move it down. So this way it spaces out a little better. Okay, so if you want to insert work experience or projects, you're going to do the same process. So what you're going to do, you're going to insert row below, do the same thing, insert row below. All I'm doing to insert the row, I'm going to one of my lists, right clicking, then insert row below. So now I'll have two rows right there. I'm going to copy this, Control C if you like shortcuts. Go to one of my blank spots, Control V. Now it's there. So you have another job title that you can work with, do whatever you want. And if you want to move the line up, you just got to like search down to see when you get that double bar and that arrow and move it up. And now it looks a little bit better. Okay, again, your teacher can help you if you need help finding that line. But all I did is I took my mouse and I scrolled down until I got to see that equal sign with the two arrows. Okay, now if I want to do the same thing down here, I'm going to go right to my words, right click, insert row below. I'm going to do the same thing, go to my words, right click, insert row below. Now I have two lines. I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to paste it. Okay, you just got to be careful because you'll run out of room very quickly. So make sure that your resume fits on one page. But that's how you do it. So if you need more job experience area, you need more area up here, that's fine, but you're probably going to have to delete them down here. Okay, we want our resume to try to be one page. Okay, awesome. If you have any questions, let one of your teachers know. Have a great day.